Hi, my name's Scott. Today we're looking over Green Notes cordless vacuum. This is the GSC50. It's a 4-in-1 handheld stick vacuum. So let's go ahead, open it up, show you everything you get, and let's test it out. Okay, my friends, let's first show you everything you get. You get a user manual. You get a power supply cable. It's just a 2-prong power supply outlet plug. You get multiple different accessories. You have your long hard extension. This is fantastic for doing in between car seats, for getting under very thin tables, or for example, stuff like that to get down in the corners and in the cracks. This will slide easily to do that. This extension is great. It has bristles on it. I personally like using this for dust or dirt, sawdust, and all things related. It also works great for cleaning off your computer area, your desktop computer just behind the fans, just to get the dust out. Also your keyboard and related stuff to that. It comes with a second filter with a little mesh screen on here that's just velcroed on. Take that off and it's easily washable. The whole thing can be washable. Just make sure you completely dry it out before you put it back in your vacuum, or else it's going to stink after a week or two. And if you think that you're going to let the vacuum dry it out, well, the problem is dust sticks on and keeps it moist, and then it smells really bad after time. Trust me, that's from my own personal experience. You also have a cleaning brush with a razor on here. This is for if you have pets or, a wife or man that sheds a lot of hair. When you get hair wrapped around, you can use this tool to actually cut that hair off and easily pull it out. But this also comes out as well, so you can take this whole bar out for cleaning as well. Now this is your main extension. It does have LEDs on the front, so there is lights, and it does pivot very well. So if you're vacuuming, you can easily turn it left and right. This is probably one of my favorite extensions because this is fantastic for doing steps, stairs, sofas, beds, love seats, chairs. This thing is amazing for all kinds of stuff like that. You then have your extension, which is made out of metal and plastic. This extension, basically you press in the button and then it allows you to pull it out, and there's different levels, as you can hear it click. Different stages, and here you can see this is going to be when you're connecting it into here and you're using it for standing up vacuuming. And this is going to be your actual main unit. Now I love that the battery for this is actually built in, and to charge it you just plug the charging port cable under here, and that charges the battery. You have your on and off button right here, and I love that the battery's built in. For some reason I just really enjoy vacuums like that. You have plus and minus for speed. You have your battery indicator level here. So you have two modes. You have medium and you have high power. You can press this button in, and this allows you to take off your whole tank here. And here, what you do is you twist off the top, and then you could pull this off just like this. And then you can take this filter out by twisting it and lifting up. And then you can clean the reservoir in there as well as take this out and clean that. And then when you line it up, just line up the little grooves right there in between the metal. That's the best way to line it up, and do the same for there, and then just twist it to lock it in place. Or you can simply have the quick release, which is right in here. The quick release, by pulling this, allows you just to simply empty everything out and pull out any hair without, dealing with the filter and all that. And if you do that, you don't actually have to take the whole unit off. You could just simply pop open the bottom here and empty it. So you don't have to take all this off if you just want to do quick release. Each piece just easily pops right in place, and when you want to take it off, you just press the button and then pull it out with your other hand. So each piece is very simple to put on and take off. What's nice about this being fully adjustable, that if you're tall, no problem. If you're short, no problem. As you can see, the light is very bright. Now we haven't vacuumed in probably about 4 days, We do have a dog, so I'm very curious to see how strong this is. If this picks up a lot of debris, dog fur, and stuff related, then that means this vacuum has really good sucking power, since we did just clean not too long ago. So we're gonna go ahead and do some hardwood flooring and also our carpet. The suction power you can actually definitely see in the carpet. So it definitely has some strong suction power. We can actually see some stuff already. Oh wow, it just it got something under here. It's definitely picking up stuff, and I can feel it when I'm pushing the vacuum. I can feel the suction power. So it's pretty incredible. Yeah, it's definitely got some power. I do believe. Oh, what? It picked something under the sofa. Oh my word. This is doing a fantastic job. I mean, look at that. You can see how it's pulling the carpet. Let's see how. Oh, it flows really nice on hardwood floor as well. Okay, let's go ahead and let's see what it's got. Alright, taking a look on this side, we can see it picked up a fair amount of, well, there's something plastic, looks like a wrapper, and it looks like some dirt and hair. Okay, now lifting it up, yeah, as you can see, it definitely picked up, you can see the dust. You can see the hair, so our pet hair, and you can see just a little bit of dirt, debris. Wow, yeah, so I would say this did a really good job. Either this did a really good job, or our old vacuum is not doing too good. But no, I think this did a really good job. Let's go ahead and take a look before we end the video. And you can see a little bit of hair around the blade itself. Not too bad. For being very thin like this, it actually did a good job. Normally ones that are like this thin and not like wide can't pick up stuff, but it actually picked up that wrapper. Like that's pretty incredible that it actually did that. Yeah, very nice.